How to get 75% off Home Depot coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Home Depot coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Home Depot. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $200 off, 30% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Home Depot. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in this copied code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Home Depot. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're at this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine one website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Home Depot. So this way you can easily get up to 75% off Home Depot working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.